Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey. So today we're going to be trying out a new product, and this is the Super Olive 10 times moisturizing professional styling gel from Eco. Yes, I picked up the baby one. This is 8 fluid ounces, and I got this from my local beauty supply store, and it was $3.99. We all know that Eco is an OG in our wash and go, coil out, braid out, twist out. So Eco has put their foot on our necks. They have like 4, 5, 6 new gels out. I only picked up this one. This claims to repair, condition, define, moisturize, smooth, and add shine to your hair. This also has a maximum hold of 10 and it is alcohol free. If I remember correctly, the original olive oil gel is also a max 10 hold, but this is supposed to be super olive, 10 times moisturizing. So I'm excited to try this. So obviously the active ingredient in this is super moisturizing olive oil. It says with over 10 times more olive oil than leading competitors, Eco Style's super olive gel moisturizes and maximizes hair definition, controls frizz, and helps to stabilize your hair's natural pH. All right, Eco. A lightweight professional formulation that defines your individual style. It also has hydrolyzed wheat protein in it, and it says that it's formulated with hydrolyzed wheat protein to soften, strengthen, and restore dry and damaged hair. Also adds shine and luster. I'm already excited. So unless you're living under a rock, you know that my girl Faye in the city already did a review on this, and I'll leave that in the cards. She loved this, which further made me want to run out and try it. I'm eager to see how it's going to work on my kinky texture. The directions say to apply to wet or dry hair, work desired amount through hair, and style as directed. You see, Eco already know. We're not going to use a dime-sized, quarter-sized amount. They use desired amount. The verbiage matters, folks. I've actually been debating about which leave-in conditioner to use. I wasn't sure if I wanted to use something heavy because of course I don't want to get flakes, but I also don't want to use something that's going to be a waste of my time. So I'm going back and forth between using the Melanin Hair Care Conditioner or if I'm going to use the Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner from Alikay. I don't know yet. I'm probably going to go with the lemongrass leave-in just to play it safe, just to kind of minimize my chances of getting flakes, but not sure yet. I'm actually currently deep conditioning. I am using the Mael Babasu, their original deep conditioner. I've had it on for about 15 minutes. Once I rinse out the deep conditioner, I'll come back and apply one of these leave-in conditioners, and then we'll get started applying the gel. All right, so I'm back from rinsing out my deep conditioner. And if you didn't know, the Mael deep conditioner is definitely a fave. I have no idea how I'm going to part my hair for this wash and go. Oh yes, we're doing a wash and go. I don't know if I mentioned that. I have no idea how I'm going to part my hair. Probably a side part, but here we are. Hold on. You're trying to play me. So because I'm a scared, I am going to go in with the lemongrass leave-in conditioner from Alikay. Another staple, if you didn't know. I'm going to be using that because ain't nobody got time to be washing it. Well, we do have time. But I ain't trying to be washing my hair every day just because I'm home. I'm going to work that through. Love this leave-in conditioner. Alright, so I've worked the leave-in conditioner through the section, and now I'm going to go in with the gel. And this has a flip top, so that's a thing now with Eco. They no longer do the situation. I'm going to flip this open, and that is what the gel is looking like. Pretty thick, and just like the rest of the recent releases from Eco, this also has that kind of glittery finish. It smells like a man, and I'm not mad at it. It smells like Irish Spring meets like Polo cologne. I'm a fan of it. I know Faye didn't like it, but I actually am a fan of this. She's pretty thick. I feel like it might be a little bit thicker than any of the other Eco formulas that I've tried. And I've tried the original olive oil. I've tried the argan oil. I've tried the... This is thick. I'm going to spray my hair with water. Got my water bottle here. Because this That's thick. Okay, a lot better because I wasn't getting good slip on damp hair. So highly recommend using it on wet hair. But yes, like I was saying, I've tried the argan oil, I've tried the olive oil, I've tried the coconut eco, I've tried the castor oil and flaxseed eco. That's probably my favorite one so far. Yo, this is thick. This is thick. My hair is like slathered together, not clumped together, it's slathered together, and I don't even feel like I went in with that much. So as you can see, my hair is not even it's like straight. So yeah, really at a loss of what to do here because it's really it's a really thick gel.
A few moments later.
All right, so this is what the first section is looking like. Already I feel like I went in with too much, but I don't feel like I grabbed a lot. So I'm going to be a little more light-handed in the other sections. This joint is thick. So again, I'm going to go in with the leave-in, work that through really good, hit it with my spray bottle. And then for this side section, I'm actually going to go in with about that much gel. I'm not really sure how I feel about the application of this gel so far. I feel like because the gel is so thick, it's going to actually weigh my hair down and just be flat and crunchy. But I want to believe in it because it says it's so moisturizing. I'm going to go ahead and finish applying the gel, show you what it looks like when it's wet, and then come back with my final thoughts. So I'm finished applying the gel, and I gotta be honest, I'm not really excited because of the application of this. I just feel like my hair is going to be flat and weighed down and just like look at how that is clumped. But we'll see. I'm going to sit under the dryer because I don't have time to air dry, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Just waiting for my neighbors to go inside. I have great neighbors, I do, but like they are chatty, by the way. Okay, so I am back and these are my final results. Of course, I'll give you all a 360. This is technically day 2, day 1.5, however you want to categorize it. Once I got under the dryer, I actually just threw on my bonnet and went to sleep. Woke up the next morning, which was this morning, and I actually stretched my hair out using my blow dryer just to kind of give myself a little more volume and a little more elongation. And this is what I got. Do I like it? I do. Was there some areas of improvement? Absolutely. I'm actually extremely happy that I decided to go in with the lemongrass leave-in. It didn't give me any white residue. It mixed really well with the gel. No concerns there. Once I applied the gel, you all saw how thick that was and how it had my hair just clumped together entirely too much. Once my hair was dry from under the dryer, my hair was pretty flat because the hair was so clumped together, which is why I went in with the blow dryer to kind of separate and fluff as well as elongate the curls. I was thinking that because of the texture of the gel and the weight of the gel that I would have a little more elongation, but not so much. My shrinkage was still my shrinkage. The gel cast on the gel was also pretty firm, but once I broke it with a little bit of oil and the blow dryer. As you can see, my hair is nice and soft, and it has lots of movement and body. It's not stiff or anything like that, so that is great. The front portion of my hair is a looser texture, so it doesn't really stay defined. It's more cottony. So of course, with me stretching the front of my hair out, it's not really defined except towards the ends, but overall, I'm not really mad at the results. My hair is not crunchy and it's not flat after a little bit of manipulation. Will I use this gel again? Absolutely. My hair isn't super dry, but I will see if I can layer it with a leave-in that's a little thicker, or maybe layer the leave-in that I use with an oil or a butter just to get a little bit more moisture. My hair doesn't feel dry at all, but it doesn't feel as moisturized as I would like, especially with this only being the second day. Overall, I would say this is a good product and I would definitely recommend it if you're interested. Make sure you drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.